Sursum Corda. St. Joseph School, North Point.
Thank you, sir.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Respective houses, followed by the Scouts and NCC contingent and the School Blue Boys Band. School March Past is commanded by NCC Commander Rinchen Momjin, followed by the Departure House Beadle Aniket Guru. In the upper division, Fallen House is led by Tigya Kishore Rai. Holy House is led by Girish Nipali. Glen House is led by Al Emher. followed by Dipalchin House led by Arvindra Guru.
Look up, look up, look up. Mr. Sharma, look up. Look down. That's my. Look up, look up. See, talking away, chewing. My God, culture.
In the senior division, Fallen House is led by Ronak Pradhan. Followed by O'Neill House led by Orion Ahmed.
Nice, nice one. Come on, swing up, Sonil. Check your
Now
line.
we have senior division
Side,
Lalin
side.
House led by Jaideep Shah.
Very good. Good God.
Followed by Dipalchin House, which is led by Navya Rai. And now we have the Scouts contingent, which is led by Pradhan Guru.
Departure, very good.
The NCC contingent, which is led by Kashyap Subba. And finally, the Blue Boys Band, which is led by Bennett Jocelyn. I would now like to invite Mr. Hemanta Joshi to address us on the significance of Independence Day.
Master Sir Malcolm Chetri, coordinators, teachers, and my dear students. Today, as we gather here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our nation, let us not forget the sacrifices made and the courageous shown by our countless freedom fighters who freed India from the British rule after nearly 200 years of struggle. In these 79 years, India has made remarkable progress, but our journey continues. As citizens, it is our duty to protect our freedom, maintain unity, and contribute to the development of our country. On this 79th Independence Day, let us pledge to uphold the values of unity, peace, hard work, and honesty so that our nation continues to shine brightly on the global platform. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
Boys, please remain here, and then I request class 6, 7, and 8 to line up according to the classes. Mr. Pravesh is there. Please go to Mr. Pravesh and line up according to your classes for the distributions of the sweet. We request all the class teachers to help out for the distributions of the sweets.
Sursum Corda.